You know, so me never do that yet though, uncle. I think on a website you have to put it up on. But I think you should use the cash up and Zelle same while just make people listen me.
Okay.
Just put up a date and just get some serious people for us. Did they make people understand and know so you really need the help because they do need the help.
But I want you to do it, I mean, I want to do that with a jump arm. Want to do it
Yeah.
because you're serious. Serious. And we now put nobody in the box. We now put nobody in the box.
Yeah, we just have to just plan out it and do it the right way. The GoFundMe is a good idea, Ken. Yeah, I have to go find out how you can set up that there. And see if
Yeah,
people.
you want to know why it's a good idea? Because they're going to be people from Canada anyway. Not everybody's on TikTok. But once they see that link with that GoFundMe on Facebook and everywhere and Pink Wall post it, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. They're going to go tap that same link. You're going to get it. Because Pink Wall going to run with it and say, oh, Uncle get GoFundMe, try to forget it. And everybody, you're going to see. The GoFundMe sound like a good idea for truth.
Yeah, me go go up on YouTube and see your work. And we'll just put it up, uncle.
Put down payment to help Uncle get his apartment. So yeah, that's the caption or something like that.
Yeah, guys, uncle need the help, man. I tell her. I'm kind of fool like one thing.
Can we have to do it, man? We have to do it, cause and you be the host. We not put nobody in a box. Each time everybody say in the comment.
Yeah, but Uncle, the GoFundMe is gonna be a link, and it's gonna be. You have a Facebook page, right?
Yeah.
You gotta log into your Facebook too, and your Instagram. Cause once it hit Pink Wall Virgo, you gonna do remember Virgo Kems. You gonna do Kems. Your profile confused me.
So you go for me, can company TikTok too because you know everybody on TikTok.
Yeah, you could copy the link and paste it in his bio. And you could copy the link and paste it in the Instagram bio and on Facebook page. Like the link. And it's just like how when that girl put up to buy the VIP ticket or the ticket for Cartel, show how everybody run over and find she and donate it. And Pink Wall posted just like that. And she get $1,000 or $1,500 US in no time in one day. Just so.
Oh, Pink Wall get that money there?
No, the girl that get the ticket for Vibes Cartel, when she put money where you look away you there. When she get the ticket, she booked the ticket. She put up a GoFundMe to buy a ticket.
Oh, okay. And people send her money. Okay.
Yeah.
We have to go look into that, uncle, and put out something like that.
GoFundMe in America is something quick. I see everybody do it. Funeral, everybody you do it. For
in America, but man, I know if Jamaican people ain't really go do that. But you never know. We can do it and try same way and see if it works.
Miss Bringa every day, Miss Bringa put up when she and Miss Bringa put up cash up. She and Roger and Macri.
Yeah, but what about GoFundMe? That different. GoFundMe, I want a site where like
that's something that's gonna go straight to your bank. That's a different cooperation from that.
Yeah, one picture go did it with you and they go let's say like this man need help for such and such and such and such. And then
just put down payment for the apartment for his place.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have 200 people per live, 210 people. So I don't know if Uncle still can go on. Guys, if nobody willing to send local gift, if you don't want Uncle stay a little longer. If you don't want Uncle stay a little bit longer, send him something. You don't have to be big without doing it or anything. Alright, Pochi. Send something more, guys. Big up yourself. See, Uncle, they want to stay a little bit longer. Oh, we're going to show now, Uncle.
I'll sign up on your king till tomorrow. I'll sign up now till tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Alright. Everybody find life, big up on yourself. Now, my uncle say I'm gonna come back. Like, say you want to sleep. Alright.
If you have anything to send, you can. Like when I wait to go every day, you can make any little thing to me and send it home.
Yeah, man. Me not gonna sleep now. Man, let's go put in some work, same way.
Yeah, man, thanks.
Alright. Big up, yeah.